Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay with Uber Eats. First, make sure Apple Pay is fully configured on your device. This means having a valid credit or debit card already added to your Apple Wallet. Also, take a moment to ensure your Uber Eats application is updated to its most recent version for the smoothest experience. This initial setup takes only a few moments, ensuring you are ready to order. Once your setup is complete, open the Uber Eats app and browse for your favorite restaurants. Add all your desired food items to your cart. When you are ready to finalize your order, proceed to the checkout screen. Here, you will see various payment options. Simply select the Apple Pay button to continue with your secure transaction. After selecting Apple Pay, your device will prompt you to authenticate the purchase. You can use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your device passcode to verify. This quick step ensures your payment is secure. Once authenticated, review your order one final time, including the total amount, and then confirm the transaction to place your delicious order. Using Apple Pay offers a highly secure and incredibly convenient way to pay for your Uber Eats orders. Your actual card numbers are never shared with merchants, keeping your financial information private and encrypted. If you encounter any issues, first check your internet connection or ensure your app settings are correct. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.